Now we will discuss second numerical based on Thevenin's theorem. So in this network, here we have to find out current flowing through this 6 ohm branch. So step first, the current in which branch is to be calculated, that is considered as the load resistance. RL is equal to 6 ohm and remove RL from the network. So after removing this RL from the network, your network will look like this. Step second, we have to find out voltage across that open circuit terminal, that is nothing but your VTH. So by using any network reduction method, we can find out voltage across these two terminals. Now in this case there is a one closed loop is formed. So to find out voltage across terminal A and B, we need to find out current flowing to this 10 ohm and 5 ohm branch. Now in this case this 10 ohm branch is redundant branch because it is connected in series with open circuit. So current flowing through this 10 ohm branch is equal to 0. Now to find out current flowing to this 5 ohm branch, we have to solve this closed loop. We have to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law to this loop. So 200 minus 5i is equal to 0. So we find out current flowing to this 5 ohm branch is 20 ohm. So 10i is equal to 200, I is equal to 200 divided by 10, it becomes 20 ampere. Now trace the path from A to B. So current is flow from higher potential to lower potential. So first there is a one resistance 10 ohm, then this resistance 5 ohm. Here first positive polarity, then negative polarity, then negative polarity of 50 volt battery, then positive polarity after B point. So current flowing to this 10 ohm is 0. So VAB is equal to 0. Here we are going higher potential to lower potential, and current flowing to this 5 ohm branch is 20. So 20 into 5, because we are writing equation in terms of voltage. So I into R is nothing but voltage, and plus 50 because we are going lower potential to higher potential. So minus 100 plus 50, it becomes minus 50 volt. In step 3, we have to find out equivalent resistance of the network. So we have to replace all the voltage source by their internal resistance, if any, otherwise short circuit. So we short circuit these two voltage source. After that your network becomes like this. So this 5 ohm and this 5 ohm, these two branches are connected in parallel, and their equivalent resistance become in series with this 10. So 5 parallel 5 plus 10, it becomes 12.5 ohm. In fourth step we have to draw 10. 10 means 10 stands for what? Thevenin's equivalent network, in which your VTH and RTH become in series. So VTH and RTH are in series, and these are two terminal A and B. And in last step, to find out current IL, we have to reconnect RL in Thevenin's equivalent network in such a way that VTH, RTH and RL become in series. So RL is equal to 6 ohm. We have to reconnect RL in this Thevenin's equivalent network. So we will get this kind of network. So IL is equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. So 50 divided by 12.5 plus 6, it gives 2.7027 ampere. Thank you.